Hi, I'm Alec, CEO and founder of Settle. Settle has always helped brands unlock growth, and now we're doing even more. We started off as a platform helping brands make vendor payments and financing. During the pandemic, we became a crucial solution for brands facing inventory shortages and challenges with stockouts. This year, we introduced groundbreaking features such as landed costs and universal catalog to help brands gain deeper control over the procurement and inventory management workflows. And today, we're helping brands and their founders achieve even more. In today's webinar, we're excited to show you how the new Settle platform helps brands make smarter inventory decisions, better understand and grow their margins, manage their payment workflows with confidence, control their cash flow, all with our integrated working capital so you can settle now, pay later. Thank you for joining us on our mission to unlock scale for brands. I'm so thrilled to introduce this next phase for Settle. I'll be passing it along to our product expert, Emily, to talk you through inventory.
Hi, my name is Emily Sherrio. I'm a product manager at Settle. I was formerly the CEO and founder at Turbine, and I'm excited to tell you about what we're launching today to revolutionize how consumer brands operate their businesses. Thanks to our new universal catalog and inventory management functionality, brands can see all of the information they need for their business operations in a singular place. They can make changes in Settle, see those changes populate to Shopify, Amazon FBA, Walmart e-commerce, and all of their other sales channels. And with just a couple of clicks, they can consolidate inventory across many different views and have a single source of truth for their business across the organization. No more trying to figure out which version of the final spreadsheet is actually final. In all my conversations with brands, we've heard over and over that the number one pain point is inventory management. Too much inventory is tied up cash flow. Not enough inventory, too many stockouts. And really, that's lost sales. And we want to make sure we all can avoid that. And so we're excited that as part of this launch, we're making demand forecasting available to Settle customers. In the same platform where you're managing your operations, you're seeing your inventory, we can also now alert you to when you need to next take action to ensure you avoid stocking out inventory. A single place to consolidate all of your workflows and information. With inventory forecasting, brands get all of the information they need around when they should expect to run out, what they have on hand, what orders are currently open, and how much time they have to make a decision to take action. Consolidating your catalog and inventory information in Settle is really easy to get started. We can go ahead and connect our catalog and have Settle manage it for us. We'll start by heading to Settings, where we can go to Integrations and set up our syncs with Shopify or our WMS, or both. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and connect to Trackstar. You'll select your credentials, validate your user has the appropriate API credentials, and finish. Once you're done, you'll head over to our Sync Center, where any new items will be brought to your attention. This is where you'll validate SKUs, map them to your own internal SKUs, or create new items if you're importing your catalog for the first time. Settle's Universal Catalog allows you to consolidate all of the information about all of your SKUs across all of the different places where you might be manufacturing or selling them. For example, we can look at our pickleball paddle. Our pickleball paddle has a base SKU of PP1B05, but we actually sell two different variations of this SKU, one in blue and one in red. They each have subsequent unique identifiers. We know that our pickleball paddle each of them is actually made up of, so let's go ahead and look at our blue paddle here. We can see that it's got a top face sheet in blue, it's got a bottom face sheet in blue, it's got a handle, an edge guard, and a honeycomb core. And this is a production bill of materials, which means it's used in manufacturing. Settle also supports kit to stock or kit to order items. Thanks to Settle's built-in bill of material management, calculating inputs needed to manufacture items is easier than ever before. It's as simple as configuring a BOM, in this case, a peanut butter jar with a lid, a label, the relevant parts, sending it over to your supplier, in our case, Nutty Bliss Delights, and telling them what we want our outputs to be. Our 52 ounce, our 16 ounce, and our 4 ounce jars of peanut butter. Together, these allow us to not spend our time doing unnecessary math, but trusting that we have the information we need on this work order that we can send direct to our supplier and know that we're going to get the right items. No matter where you are in your inventory forecasting journey, Settle's here to support you with the information and the proprietary algorithms to help you better improve your inventory management. Let's start by looking at our demand forecast. Here, we take in all of the data around our historical sales, and Settle can help you project out a month-by-month or week-by-week forecast for your upcoming year based on any given SKU's performance in any given channel. So here we can see that our size 6 shoes in black are projected to sell 960 items in September. We'll be able to work backwards to say we need to manufacture those shoes in July so they arrive in August so that we can sell them in September, avoiding stockouts, avoiding lost customers, and having exactly what we need to be successful along the way. Because Settle can connect to your purchase orders, work orders, inventory transfers, and every other way that you're producing your inventory, and connect to all of the ways you're selling, Shopify, Amazon, your retail partners, we can help you calculate true COGS, giving you a single place and a single workflow where you can trust the numbers that are coming out are accurate and timely. No more waiting for the books to close 45 days from now. Our end-of-month inventory report gives accountants, in-house and outside partners exactly the information they need to book your COGS and inventory valuation every month. No more guessing, no more asking for cycle counts, just accurate numbers that you can trust every time. Calculating timely, accurate COGS consistently is a huge pain point that we hear over and over, both from our customers and their accounting partners. That's why, with our end-of-month inventory report, we've made it easy. We can now take any SKU at any given location, tell you how many units you started the month with, what changed over the course of the month, including how many you sold, the COGS for those units, and how many ended the month, as well as the inventory valuation for each of those final units. A single place, all the information you need for accounting purposes, and you can just go ahead and update your accounting system. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Mary from Customer Success. At Settle, we've built a foundation on providing intuitive and powerful AP automation. It's simple enough to start using immediately with features you'll actually use. With Settle, you can process payments using fast ACH, standard ACH, domestic wires, international wires, including paper checks. You also have the option to schedule payments in advance, ensuring that nothing is missed. Our approval rules gives you the ability to control who signs off on payments, verify a bill for accuracy, adding another layer of security and organization into your workflows. We have a number of ways you can start adding and paying your bills today. You can start by either uploading or even emailing a bill directly into our system, and you can manage this in our Settle inbox. With our OCR technology, the details are automatically extracted, allowing you to move away from manual data entry and free up valuable time. As you schedule a payment, you'll see a snapshot of your debits week over week in our cash outflow graph. This provides you with a high-level view of your past and upcoming payments, helping you manage your cash flow more effectively. And if you're using QuickBooks or NetSuite, we integrate with them seamlessly, ensuring that your general ledger is accurate and up to date. And if you're migrating from another AP platform, process is pretty straightforward and pain-free. Plus, you'll have our dedicated support team available to guide you through the transition with personalized one-on-one support and just making sure that no stone is left unturned. What's great about managing bills in Settle is how we take purchase orders to the next level. We make it easy to track all your key documents, POs, bills, and payments all in one place as your single source of truth. With Settle purchase orders, you can create, send to vendors, store, customize your POs with your brand's logo and other unique properties. With integrations like QuickBooks or NetSuite, you can autofill POs with catalog items for a more seamless process. You can pay deposits directly on the PO and track the remaining balance that needs to be paid. With our cash outflow graph, you can forecast based on when you expect to make payments on the PO. Plus, with landed cost calculations built into the PO process, you can estimate landed costs before receiving bills for additional expenses. This financial visibility gives you a clear understanding of your profit margins by SKU. Now, let's tie this all together. By managing both your POs and bills in Settle, you also get to benefit from automated three-way matching. What this tool does is it compares your POs, your bills, and your goods received notes down to the line item on one screen, helping you quickly catch discrepancies and prevent overpayments. Brands who use three-way matching on Settle today alone have caught $273K in discrepancies. All right, so let's go through a purchase order walkthrough and demo along with showing you the magic of three-way matching. So to begin, there are a number of ways you can add POs into the platform. You can sync them over from your accounting integration like QuickBooks and NetSuite. You can upload any existing POs right into the platform. Really simple, just hit add PO, drag and drop the PDF there. Today, what I want to show you is how to actually create the PO within the platform. And all you need to do, just as a prerequisite, is just make sure your catalog and your vendors are loaded and up to date. So let's begin. Mary's Gourmet Delights wants to place an order for chocolate bars for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, for the holidays. So I'm going to go ahead and select our vendor, Sweet Bliss Manufacturing. Right now, it's in draft status. Let's just update the PO number. Let's add our shipping provider, Farm to Fork Express. We're going to send this to our warehouse. Great. Now let's go ahead and add the items to fill in our purchase order. And as you can see, it's populating in real time. So let's order our chocolate bars. And we have a number of flavors, but our regular and our milk chocolate are the most popular, and they come in two sizes, regular and XL. Great. Let's adjust the quantity. I'm going to be ordering 2,000 of each. And as I do that, I do want to highlight that if you have a really awesome brand logo, go ahead and add that under your business settings so you can really customize your PO. As I did here, I added my logo right on the purchase order. Great. All right. Two more things I need to do, although this part is optional. I'm going to go ahead and apply a label. So why am I using this? Well, I just want to keep track of what purchase orders are part of, what initiatives, in this case, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so I can track those. I can really customize this to whatever unique needs I have within the business. So I'll just apply that label. And last thing, before I send this off to the vendor, is just update our additional expenses. So there are some estimated costs with this particular PO. I know for some businesses, it could be shipping, production, etc., tariffs, or surcharge that you want to estimate before they actually land so we can calculate our true landed cost. So in this case, I'm putting a rush order, and there's going to be a rush fee, and I'm going to categorize that as a production expense. And the estimated cost is 10 cents per bar, since we have 8,000. I'll just update that. And when I go back to inventory, what you will see here is our landed cost just updated. And of course, we got that nice notification. So last thing we got to do here is just send this PO off to the vendor. Go ahead and hit send. Perfect. So that went ahead and automatically updated the status of the purchase order to open. And that's it. We sent a PO to our vendor. All right, some time has passed and now I've received a invoice and bill from my vendor for this purchase order. So the bill has already been added over here. I'm going to go ahead and open that and let's get it paid. So as I scroll down here, you actually will see that the bill has been itemized with the line items from the bill itself due to our OCR technology. It also auto-linked the purchase order itself. Great. Before I proceed to payment, there are discrepancies found. So let's go ahead and hit compare to PO and GRN. So this is the magic of our three-way matching and how it really does pay for itself. In this scenario here, the chocolate bar appears to have a different price based off of the original PO. And while it's 50 cents per bar, the total difference, if I omit this production cost here, is $1,000 difference. So I was about to pay an extra $1,000 on this invoice, which now I won't, and I will contact my vendor to go and get this corrected. So there you have it. That's a little bit about purchase orders and three-way matching. We understand that cash flow is essential for growing businesses. When paying a vendor upfront feels out of reach, Settle Working Capital steps in as a flexible, non-dilutive financing solution. We pay your vendors now, you pay us later, on terms that are transparent, predictable, and designed to help you plan ahead. Unlike other financing options, Settle takes a more comprehensive approach. Our underwriting considers the full picture of your business, not just your sales. So you get a solution tailored to the needs of growing brands like yours. Applying is quick, easy, and entirely paperless. Just connect your accounting platform and bank account, no credit checks required, and you can expect fast review times. With no early repayment penalties, you have the freedom to finance only what you need. Choose which invoices to finance, from inventory to marketing. Managing cash flow is vital, and visibility is the first step towards control. With Settle's cash outflow graph, you get a clear real-time view of when cash is leaving your bank account. I know I've touched on this earlier in other parts of the platform. So to summarize this tool tracks your current scheduled payments, upcoming scheduled working capital repayments, and open purchase orders, giving you a holistic picture of your brand's financial health. And we're not stopping there. Soon, we'll be rolling out cash flow forecasting, taking the visibility even further. With this feature, you'll gain even more control and insights, allowing you to predict and manage your cash flow with greater precision. Thanks for spending time with us today. We're really excited about the new Settle and the tools we've built to help brands like yours make smarter decisions, grow their margins, and simplify their payments. We hope you can see how our platform can make your day-to-day easier and help your business scale with confidence. If you're ready to learn more or want to dive deeper into how Settle can help your brand, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.